Welcome back guys. Today's recipe, ang lulutuin natin ay Bonchon style beef bulgogi. As of now, meron tayong 1 pound beef and we're gonna make it strips just like this. And once na slice na natin lahat, we need to transfer it into a container. Then we have to start seasoning it with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then we have 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of paprika, one tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and lastly, squeeze some lemon juice. Mix it and then set aside. Let's cook sunny side up eggs and set aside. Then let's mince our garlic just like this, and also we'll slice our carrots and let's make it strips. Now let's cook our beef. So we need to heat the pan, olive oil in. Then once hot, we have to put our garlic and wait until it's golden brown and we smell the aroma. Then we'll add our beef. Yeah, just like that. And once every piece of the beef is in, we need to mix it, and then we'll cook this for 10 to 15 minutes. and we're halfway there, so let's just continue mixing it until it's cooked evenly. And I think our beef is good to go, so we'll add our white onions, and we don't need to cook our onions. We'll just want that slightly cooked. And now let's prepare our plating. Get a bowl, put some rice, then top with our bulgogi beef bonchon style, and just be generous. And next we have our sunny side up egg, then our carrot strips, then we'll put our chopped spring onions at the center, and lastly we will add black sesame seeds. And this will be our homemade Bonchon style beef bulgogi. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy watching, and please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. And if you want to comment, compliment, please write it in the comment section. And if you have suggestion, feel free to suggest, guys. And that's it. Bye bye.